Hi there, and welcome back to these video tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Hangouts as another form of communication. So, you need to know where to find Google Hangouts, and there's two ways you can access it. First is through your school Gmail account. In the bottom left-hand corner, you'll see the word Hangouts and then your little icon picture, and that's where you can access it. Or you can also go to the website hangouts.google.com and log in through your Gmail account. So some of the interesting features about Google Hangouts, the basic one is that it is an instant messaging or texting kind of communication. To start a new texting conversation, if you're in the email version, you're just going to hit that plus sign next to your name to start a new conversation. If you're using the web access of it, you're going to hit the new message button. It looks like a text box. You can also do a group chat within Google Hangouts. So if you're in Google Hangouts and you're talking with somebody and you want to add somebody, you're going to click the plus sign next to the person button, and then you're going to type in the name of who you want to chat with, and that'll add an additional person to your group message. You also have the option of voice calling through Google Hangouts. You're just going to look for the phone icon, and that's how you make a phone call. You can also video chat. You're just going to look for the camera icon. And while you're video chatting, you do have the availability to share your screen, just like your teacher does in Google Meet. So you're going to look for the three dots up in the top right-hand corner, select Share Your Screen, and then you do have to select which screen you want to share. If you have multiple windows open, you have to pick the one you want, and then hit Share Screen or that blue Share button. So now that you've seen the basic features of Google Hangouts, I want you to have a discussion within your advisory about the different ways you can use Google Hangouts to help you keep in touch with your teachers. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email me at amy.hand@rusd.org.